Always. Always. So that means this is what we have when, if you look this trench from the top, this is what we have. You know the thickness, which is what? 1,000, eh? You know the length, this is the length of the what? Of the basement wall, which is 9330, and what? You have what? 7330. Now calculate the center line. Center line of the what? Of the basement trench. You work from external dimensions, always. So you're going to have what? You know the perimeter. Or you can start from scratch. You just copy this, or you take the answer. 2. If I can take the answer, I already know it's a perimeter first, so it's going to be like this. Minus 4 by 1,000. I told you you take like 4 sides. That's 4 with minus.
And the thickness.
Good. And the thickness, okay? What is the answer? Sorry? 29 what? How? 32. Fine. Or you can just copy this again, like you can just say 2 by what? 9330 plus 2 by what? 7330 minus 4 by what? 1,000. 1,000. You get the same answer. You get the same answer. Same. You know what? If it's 2 marks, it's 2 marks. Because they already know you have the perimeter there. So even if when they come with the those steps, we already know that this answer comes from here. Are you for confusion? Eh? If you when I don't understand this one, it's fine. You can copy this again, come here. What matters is the answer. You see, remember, QS, we don't repeat something if you already have it. We won't mark again. It's like when you do collections. You do collections, you have calculated the big filling here. Then again, you want to calculate the big filling, then there, you're trying to be smart, you want to calculate this again. You already have this. You understand? Fine. Please make sure you have these answers there. Now, we are going to check something. Number 2, let's calculate. How many walls do we have there? You check something like, you check if how many items do you see with the thickness? With the field section? A trench doesn't have a thickness of 1,000. A brick wall thickness. Check the name of this black line there. That's what? Again, people know you do. We'll see. What's the pronunciation? What did you call this here? Yes, that plastic. So this one is what? It's 20. Can you see the thickness? It's 20. 20. Here. Then what? And then you have a 220 brick wall. Do you see it?
Yeah,
so that means we are done with this one for center line. We come to this one. Center line for what?
For the
330 brick wall. For 330 brick wall, we work from external dimensions always. We know the length and the width of the brick wall. Yes, sir.
I'm lost.
Lost. Where are you?
No, I was different.
Strange.
The trench, and
As she was
Listen, I found the you just know something. I told you. That's why I said let's talk about center line now. No, it's coming, don't worry. So now we are calculating what? The center line of what? The question in the interpretation, I'm just including it in case. You call it that? We already know it's called that one. That's why you're confused. Not a problem. I just want you to check. Fine. So we know the length and the width of the brick wall. 1 again. Ne? So we have what? 2 by what? 8, 6, what? 60 plus 2 by what? 6, 6, 60 minus 4 by what? The thickness is what? 30. What is the answer? I'm sure it's going to be the same as well. 29.
29, yeah, it's the same.
If you don't want this one, you put that one.
That's what I said. I said, I know that one. And I'm saying, like, now I'm talking about this. I said, let me forget to put the anticipation paper. We're talking about the center line now. No, it's not this is oversharp. Oh, and I forgot something. If we can check here in our sketch, there's a 110 brickboard here, and then we have this 20, and what the 221, the 220 brickboard, fine. Okay, it's very good. So it's 29, 320. It's the same as that one. Now let's calculate the center line of what? Of the 110 brickboard. 110 brickboard. Brickboard. What is the external dimensions of the 110 brickboard? External. You tell us between 110 brickboard. The same as this one, isn't it? Color. Neck. Yes. So that means like E to 330 and the 110 brickboard, they have equal dimensions again. So let's check it out. So we have 2 by 1, okay. 660 plus 2 by 1, 60 minus 4 by what is the thickness? It's 110. So here, if they say calculate the center line of the edge, we focus on the height. That's why I have 110 before. It's like a test. But center line, people are focusing on the superstructure wall. What you found is here? But it's fine. It's okay. What is the answer? 80? 30, 200. 30, 200. So this one we have. Are we having the same answer?
Yes.
Sharp. Miss Sharp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. It's fine.
So the question is time perimeter is the same. And the reason is totally different.
Question number 1 and question number 1. Okay, then I've skipped something. Now we'll listen to that. That's right. We'll come back to that part. Now I'm talking about the center lines so that we can understand. Now, are we going to say what? Calculate the center line. What is center line? The last one is what? Calculate the center line of 220 brickboard. And then if you check on the sketch, is this one part of the basement? No. Yes. What is the basement? You said it's underneath, right?
No, it's not.
No. This is a ground level.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So if this one is outside, and we're talking about the basement, so which trend are we going to focus on? This one. Yeah. Now the question is, what is? Okay, a little bit. Let's come to this one, to this 20 first, before coming to this one, so that you'll understand. If I can draw this, forget this. Let me say externally. Okay, we have something like this. Okay. No. Give me a chance. You'll understand. Don't worry. I'm trying to show you. So this square there, that represents the plastic, the 21, the thickness, Does it make sense? And then we have what? this 110 here. 110. This is a 110, eh? I'm sure you'll understand. Eh, big man. Big man. You'll ask, eh? You'll ask. Then this one is what? 220. I'm sure now we can differentiate them.
Yes.
You can differentiate them. Yeah. So now we want to calculate. I said, if we want to calculate the central line of a particular part, we focus on that part, and we start from what? The external dimensions. Ne? We have checked. Now we have to calculate this one. That means we don't know from here to here, but we know from here to here. And the thickness here is 110 and 110. Is it? For you to get the length of this plastic, you're going to say what? Just say of the 20. Yes, the 20. So you're going to tell what? The length is going to be what? This one's for what? For basement hole. Basement hole. You can make it's going to be more complicated for you. Focus on one, because if you use the external one, you're going to minus the back filling. The 210 brick wall, this is it's a process. So you're going to focus on what in the brick wall. So you're going to have what? 8660 minus 2 of what? 110. That's the length.
8440.
8440. You're going to apply the same method as the width so that you can calculate the center line again.
Yes.
We have 6660 minus 2 by what? 110.
6440.
110. So you're going to have what? 6440. Now calculate the center line using the two methods. You're going to say the center line is going to be what? Okay, the center line of what? The 20 is going to be 2 by what? 8440 plus 2 by what? 6440 minus 4 by what? The thickness? The thickness? Are we thinking it's 220 or the 20?
20.
So the thickness is going to be what? 20. What is the answer? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Sure. Say yes. No, it's fine. The question is not here. Okay, no. Let's go to page 66 and 67. Let's see something. See how many section lines do we have there? The last 4 points. 67.
Okay, okay.
This question is not part of that question that we're using. So now we are dealing with this. I have to take this information, but it's not part of the question, so that you can see. You see where this is calculate the center line of the 20 millimeters thick vertical or what? That part. Oh. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Oh, what is the answer?
The answer
This, you can add it in there, like then write in B so that you can remember. What is the answer? 20?
29680.
29680.
29680. Just that. Yeah, that's
Fine. Yeah, no, it's okay. You understand. Calculate the last one. Calculate the center line of what? Of the 220 brick wall. Of the 220 brick wall. Now we are going to focus on the 220 brick wall. The blue. The condition. Then, do you know the dimensions of this brick wall? The 220 brick wall. And now you know how to find it, okay? Always you work from what? From this. But it's going to be more simple. How so? In the original sketch, this one, you just have to pay attention when you're talking with. I'm given 8,000. It's internal.
Oh my gosh.
I can add if I work from internal. I'm just adding what? The 220 from 8,000. But now, to avoid unnecessary confusion, work from external dimensions. You go back to what?
So if you say, in this case, I can say that
The length is going to be what? It's, or yes, you can continue. 8660 minus 2 of what? 110 minus 2 of what? 20.
yes. So can you just take the answer now? Because
You can. You can. You can. What is the answer? Sorry? 8,400. 8,400. 8,400. The width?
it's going to be
110, 20. What is the answer?
6,500.
6,400. And then you, therefore, you calculate the center line. 8400 plus what? 6400. Minus, what is the thickness? 220. Get the answer. Get the answer.
Yes, 2916.
2 what?
2916.
Mr. Fumo, thank you for not pretending. Thank you for not pretending. If you don't understand, you don't understand. And it's helping a lot.
Also, I made a mistake.
28.
Yes. Yes, 317.
28720.
Yes.
Okay, then prove that answer. You said like you can use what? Let's see if you get that answer. You understand?
Yes.
I first wanted to take the center line.
No, first I can
I understand.
yes, we'll do the same answer.
The what? You wanted to take the perimeter for this one?
What? Interesting. I can do and I just 866 minus that 110. Because they already know that. It's fine.
Ah, it's the same thing. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Actually, here already minus 110. So you're somewhere minus 110. So you want this measurement here, so we need to take the same measurement.
Yes. It's going to give us some answer. We are done with center lines. We are done with center lines. Next, let's go back to the question there. Okay, now they say what? Calculate the perimeter of we have calculated the external perimeter of the base. Calculate the we know the answer already. They say what? Calculate what? The external what? Perimeter of the basement, what? Basement wall. External basement. So, external basement wall. You check these dimensions. I think that's the length and the width of the basement wall. We are on point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Page 64, right? Bullet number 5. Do you see it? Calculate the perimeter there. Oh, nice one.
They would be lost.
No, I understand. Thank you very much. No, I'm sure they will.
Sir, please repeat again the parameter.
I repeat like the
Oh,
question.
no, never mind.
You know how to calculate the perimeter of the. I think we know now the length and the width of the basement wall. This is the external, not internal. They can't say internal because they gave you internal dimensions there. You see? So every time they ask you questions, they are running away from the given information. They want. Okay, fine. That's all. What is the answer?
640.
You understand? Do I have to write that one?
Please.
For the diplomas.
For the other listening, this ones are smart. You're smart. Okay. Well. Can I raise here?
Yes.
I will need this information. We are not going without. We have to finish it up this. So tomorrow we do another one. Time is not cheap. And everything else, you have a lot of things else waiting for you. Perimeter of what? External perimeter, eh? Of what? Of the basement wall.
She will be trying to question.
What? So it's gonna be what? 2 by what? 8660 plus 2 by what? 6660. You said it's what?
640.
Yes, that's it. That's it. What is it that we didn't calculate?